Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Honiture G20 robot vacuum and mop combo. A versatile cleaning powerhouse designed to tackle your home's toughest messes. This 3-in-1 device combines vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping with a robust 4,000 pascals suction power, thanks to its Japanese NIDEC motor, making it perfect for all floor types and carpets. Its ultra-slim design, standing at just 7.6 centimeters, allows it to glide effortlessly under furniture like sofas and cabinets, ensuring no spot is left untouched. With a remarkable 150-minute battery life, the G20 automatically returns to its charging station when needed, and you can even use magnetic strips to keep it out of certain areas. Equipped with intelligent gyroscope navigation, it offers 4 cleaning modes and features a fall prevention sensor to navigate stairs safely. Control is at your fingertips with multiple options, including a mobile app, remote control, and voice commands via Alexa, although it requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Plus, with a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support, the Honiture G20 is not just a purchase, but a long-term cleaning solution for your home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.